Hi, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and I know this is an off day for me to have a video, but I have a little bit of mail that I want to share with you. First off, I have some friend mail from Hillbilly Nails Makeup and More. She left me a note inside the package. I mean, I already know what's in here, kinda. Hope y'all can wear them to or for mom. In the blue one I was running out. LOL, love Leslie. Leslie, I appreciate this so much. You don't even know, honey. I love you for making these for us. And no matter how they are, I'm going to be pleased as punch. Now, if you can't tell what these are, oh, we got more than, we have 5. They are masks. Leslie from Hillbilly Nails Makeup and More, she made me some masks for me, my mother, and my son. And I'm just, oh, look at how cute this is. Look at the material on that. Oh, where am I? Look at the eyelashes. My mother is going to love this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, these are perfect for my mom. This one will be for my son. Let me see how you open this up. She can make them, well, this looks right like a doctor's. She can make them with the elastic or with the ties. She's not doing this as a business. She did this as a favor to me. So I greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. I'm just beside myself with appreciation here. Oh, this one's got it too. Oh, I can't wait to wear it. Oh, they're unicorn eyelashes. Oh, see, here's the eyelashes. Here's the unicorn. Oh, I just love these, Leslie. Thank you so very much. You know, I gotta look at them all. Oh, here's another one. Same material. Oh, I just love them. Okay, I'm gonna set these aside now. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Leslie. Next, I have some goodies from my first order from Charlie's Nail Art Supplies in the UK. International standard. Oh, look at this. How cool. Look at how cool that is. Oh, there's my address. Sorry, whatever. I'm in Michigan. So, let me figure out how to open this. So, I am ready to cheer. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this. And it took, I ordered it April 2nd. Today, I'm filming this on the 23rd. Yeah, so it took 3 weeks to get to me. I cannot wait. I don't even remember what I ordered. I can't even get the scissors in the package. Here we go. I'm so excited. So very excited. Okay, there are my goodies. Let me see. This is, oh, I thought it would have a description. This is some purple netting. Cannot wait to use this. So you can see through it. Cannot wait. Charlie's Nail Arts. Some blue foil. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait to play with that. Oh, let me see. We have a note. Hello, Cherie. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. Feel free to tag us in any photos using Charlie's Nail Art products. And they gave me a, I can't see this, a 10% off code. Beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's just lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I love these. Love, 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 love. Oh my god, there's Minnie and Mickey. Oh. This is called Galaxy. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I could just play and rub this all day. This is 4 grams. Okay, I'm not good at measuring stuff like that. Okay, here is... Oh. These are some gems. Cannot wait to use those. Okay, here are more Mickey and Minnie's. Here we have got some feathers. Seahorses, some shells. Starfish. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, they're all in their individual baggie. Snappo 8? Snappo? I don't know. Not sure what they're supposed to say. The website is charliesnailart.co.uk. www.charliesnailart.co.uk. Just in case. Here are some Easter eggs. This one's got the cross on it. I was hoping this is what it came before Easter, but there's always next year. Cannot wait. Water decals. Shows you on the back how to use them. Beautiful. And here are some black stones. There's a shape to them, and I can't make out the shape. See? Love, love, love. Love these. Oh, look at these. Love, love, love those. Last but not least, we have 2 skull heads. I remember ordering those. I mean, no, it's not Halloween yet, but I'll have them for it, though. Since I have 2 of these, I think I'm putting one in the giveaway box. So, food for thought, ladies. I don't know what these are called. I don't know what they're called. I mean, I know it's Mickey and Minnie heads, but, oh my goodness, I don't remember what these are called, though. But, you can see, and I will put these, like I said, one of these in the giveaway box. The rest of these goodies are mine. Cannot wait to play. Or place another order. They have great prices. Great prices. Definitely something you want to check them out. Tell them Just Nailed It sent you. You can find them on Instagram, Charlie's Nail Art. Tell them Just Nailed It sent you. I'm not a brand ambassador, hoping to be one day. These will go in the giveaway pile for later in the year, as we are having giveaways all to the end of summer. Right now I have one that ends on I'll draw on the 30th of April for when I don't have it out. There's some crystals. It's for UK, and it's the international and US. Look for the redraw 800 sub giveaway and announcement. I believe it's what it's called. So check that out. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing in my goodies with me and my masks. Have a blessed day. Thank you.